Hey guys, welcome to 5 Minutes Charisma. I am your host, Christophe, and today we're gonna learn how to tie a great tie knot. Today we're learning how to tie the Double Windsor or Full Windsor as it is called. It is a very popular knot. It's not the most popular because it's not the simplest one, but it is very popular because it is one of the best looking one. It is a very big knot, so it's very comfortable when you have a wide collar, and it projects a lot of power and strength. As well, it is straight, which is the best thing for a knot because it looks very nice. Most tie knots end up being a little crooked, so they don't look as good. This one is beautiful. So spend the time, learn it, and do it well. We can do it in a couple minutes, in no time at all, and it's totally worth it. So first, let me get into a more appropriate outfit, and I'll walk you step by step on how to tie the Full Windsor or Double Windsor tie knot. Now here we go, that's a more appropriate outfit. Now that looks kick-ass, a nice sharp suit. Every man should have a great suit, and if you want your suit to be great, you need to know how to tie a great knot. Now this is a Full Windsor. As you can see, it is very wide, it's very big, it's very manly, and it's straight. That's a great knot. So let me show you how to do it. First, I'm gonna have to remove my jacket. There we go. Now the Full Windsor or Double Windsor looks complex and it's not the simple knot, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually very easy and it's relatively fast, speedy to do. So first of all, you want to set up your tie like this. You want to hold both your side, and you should see on the left side, you should have maybe about 10-12 centimeters on your left side. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to go on top with the long end. We're going to go around counterclockwise around the left side like this, and then we're gonna go around counterclockwise the right side, and then go over in the front to provide a nice looking cover, and then go back from the back and dip behind that cover. See, let me show you from closer. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go around. I think I'm gonna need to set this to be a little bit higher. There we go. So now this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna hold it like this. You're gonna go around counterclockwise around this side, then go to the back and go around counterclockwise again around the right side. Then when you're done, you're gonna go over in the front to provide a cover and come from the back and dip behind that cover. So look at this. So I'm holding it like this with about 10-12 centimeters on the left side. I'm going to go in front with the long end and go around counterclockwise around the left side. And there you go. Now I'm going to go around the back and do the same thing counterclockwise on the right side. Now once I'm done, you see I have two little covers here that provide why that noose is so straight, so even. It's because it has those two little covers here that makes it balanced. Now once you're done, your tie is going to be hanging on the right side, so you're going to go around the right counterclockwise again to provide that nice little cover. Then come from the back and dip right on top, right behind that little cover that you created. Up, there we go. Oh my goodness, it's already looking beautiful. That noose is awesome. Now it's a big noose, so you want to make sure you tighten it well. And now this is how the finished noose look like. You see, it is a nice looking noose. Time to get back my suit to get the full effect on. And there you go. Now that's looking sharp and bam bam. Close this jacket. Remember, if you have 2 buttons like me, always close the first button, never close the last one. If you have 3, it's always, sometimes, never. But in general, the first button is the only one you close. It just looks better. The last one is never ever used. It's criminal to do that. Now, this is perfect. So, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Remember to wear a suit nicely. Learn to make that noose fast. You should be able to do it around 1 minute. And you will look sharp. Thank you guys for listening. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out when you do that. And I will see you next Friday for the next video of 5 Minute Charisma.